Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders and my dear students. Hearty welcome to Differential Equations class, Unit 2. We will continue with problem number 14. సాధించండి ayp స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ b టైమ్స్ p మైనస్ y ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇక్కడ a, bలు వాస్తవ సంఖ్యలు. దత్త సమీకరణంలో x మొదటి ఘాతంలో ఉన్నది కనుక దీన్ని x కోసం సాధించవచ్చు. The power of x is equal to 1. So we can solve this equation by the method of solving for x. So ayp square plus 2xb minus bp minus y equal to 0. So 2xp equal to y plus bp minus ayb square. So x is equal to y by 2p plus bp by 2p minus ayp square by 2p. Therefore x is equal to y by 2p plus b by 2 minus ayp by 2. ఒకటి నెక్స్ట్ y దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేయగా dx by dy ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 2 ఇంటూ సో p ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ y with respect to y 1 minus y into dp by dy whole divided by p square, and then b by 2 being a constant it becomes 0 minus a by 2 if you take common that becomes y into dp by dy plus p into derivative of y with respect to y means 1. Now we have this is 1 by p equal to 1 by 2 into we have 1 by p minus y by p square dp by dy minus a by 2 into y dp by dy minus ap by 2. So 1 by p equal to 1 by 2p, 1 by p minus 1 by 2p equal to minus y by 2p square dp by dy minus ay by 2 into dp by dy minus ap by 2. So 1 by 2p equal to minus 1 by 2 into y by p square dp by dy plus ay into dp by dy plus ap. So 1 by p plus y by p square dp by dy plus ay dp by dy plus ap equal to 0. So 1 by p plus ap. I have taken that as one group. Remaining to y by p square plus ay times dp by dy equal to 0. So 1 by p plus ap plus y by p into 1 by p plus ap into dp by dy equal to 0. So 1 by p plus ap into 1 plus y by p dp by dy equal to 0. So 1 by p plus ap equal to 0. 1 plus y by p dp by dy equal to 0. రెండు అసాధారణ సాధనను ఇస్తుంది సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్ కనుక దాన్ని వదిలివేస్తాం. సాల్వింగ్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ 1 plus y by p dp by dy equal to 0, p plus y dp by dy equal to 0. In other words, dp by dy equal to minus p by y or dp by p equal to minus dy by y. Therefore integral dp by p equal to integral minus dy by y plus c. So log p equal to minus log y plus log c. Therefore log p equal to log c by y. Therefore p is equal to c by y. Removing p from 1 and 4 we get ay p square plus 2x minus b into p minus y equal to 0. So ay instead of p put c by y whole square plus 2x minus b times c by y minus y equal to 0. So a c square by y plus 2cx by y minus bc by y minus y equal to 0. Now solve problem number 15. A p square plus py minus x equal to 0. That implies x is equal to ap square plus py. Now differentiating this with respect to y, 1 by p dx by dy equal to 2ab dp by dy plus p plus y dp by dy. So 1 by p minus p minus 2ap dp by dy minus y dp by dy equal to 0. So that becomes 1 minus p square by p minus of 2ap plus y into dp by dy equal to 0. So 2ap plus y into dp by dy equal to 1 minus p square by p In other words, dp by dy equal to 1 minus p square by p into 1 by 2ap plus y. Taking the reciprocal, dy by dp equal to 2ap square plus yp whole divided by 1 minus p square. So dy by dp equal to, in other words, dy by dp minus py by 1 minus p square is equal to 2ap square by 1 minus p square. ఇది yలో ఉన్నటువంటి సరళ అవకలన సమీకరణం. సో dy by dp ప్లస్ క్యాపిటల్ P ఇంటూ y ఈక్వల్ టు q రూపంలో ఉంది. క్యాపిటల్ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus p by 1 minus p square and q is equal to 2ap square by 1 minus p square. So integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dp, that is equal to e power integral minus p by 1 minus p square dp. So e to the power of 1 by 2 into minus 2p by 1 minus p square dp, that is equal to e to the power of half into log 1 minus p square. So e power log 1 minus p square whole to the power of half. So that is equal to square root of 1 minus p square. Therefore integrating factor is equal to square root of 1 minus p square. Therefore the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dp plus c. Now we have y into 1 minus p square, square root of 1 minus p square is equal to integral 2ap square by 1 minus p square into square root of 1 minus p square dp plus c. So y into square root of 1 minus p square equal to integral 2ap square by square root of 1 minus p square dp plus c. So 2a if you take common, it becomes integral p square by square root of 1 minus p square dp plus c. So add and subtract 1 on both sides. So minus 2a integral 1 minus p square minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus p square dp plus c. So minus 2a into integral square root of 1 minus p square minus 1 by square root of 1 minus p square dp. Now that is nothing but minus 2a into integral square root of 1 minus p square dp minus of minus plus 2a into integral 1 by square root of 1 minus p square dp plus c. So that is nothing but minus 2a into p by 2 into square root of 1 minus p square plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse p plus 2a into sin inverse p plus c. So minus ap into square root of 1 minus p square minus a sin square p plus 2a sin square p plus c. So square root y into square root of 1 minus a square equal to a sin square p and then minus ap square root of 1 minus p square plus c. Therefore y is equal to a sin square p plus c divided by square root of 1 minus s square minus ap. Now eliminating y from 1 and 3, we have x is equal to yp plus ap square. Therefore x is equal to y a sin square p plus c divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus ap into p plus ap square. So x is equal to a sin square p plus c divided by square root of 1 minus a square into p minus ap square plus ap square. Minus ap square plus ap square get cancelled. We get x is equal to p by square root of 1 minus a square into a sin square p plus c. Now problem number 16. సాధించండి p cube minus 4xyp plus 8y square equal to 0. Now 4xyp equal to p cube plus 8y square. Therefore 4x is equal to p cube plus 8y square by yp. So 4x is equal to p square by y plus 8y by p. Now differentiating 1 with respect to y, we get 4 into dx by dy equal to y into 2p dp by dy minus p square by y square plus 8 into p into derivative of y with respect to y 1 minus y into dp by dy divided by p square. Now we have 4 by p equal to 2p by y dp by dy minus p square by y square plus 8 by p minus 8y by p square dp by dy. So 4 by p plus p square by y square minus 8 by p equal to 2p by y minus 8y by p square into dp by dy. So p square by y square minus 4 by p is equal to 2p cube minus 8y square divided by yp square dp by dy. That is nothing but 2 into p cube minus 4y square by p square y into dp by dy. So p cube minus 4y square divided by py square equal to 2 into p cube minus 4y square divided by p square y dp by dy. Removing py on both sides, we get p cube minus 4y square by y equal to 2 into p cube minus 4y square by p dp by dy. So we get p cube minus 4y square into, that is, if we take, that is equal to, we have p cube minus 4y square into 1 by y minus 2 by p into dp by dy equal to 0. Therefore, p cube minus 4y square equal to 0, and another one by y minus 2 by p dp by dy equal to 0. Now, రెండు అసాధారణ సాధన ఇస్తుంది కనుక దాన్ని వదిలివేస్తాము. 3 సాధించగా dy by y minus 2 by p dp equal to 0. So, integral dy by y minus 2 into integral dp by p equal to log c. So, log y minus 2 log p equal to log c. Log y plus log c equal to 2 log p, that is log p square. So, log cy equal to log p square. In other words, p square is equal to cy. Eliminating p between 1 and 4, p cube minus 4xyp plus 8y square equal to 0. 8y square is equal to minus p cube plus 4xyp. Therefore, 8y square equal to p into 4xy minus p square. So that can be written as p into 4xy. Squaring on both sides, 64y to the power of 4 equal to p square into 4xy minus p square whole square. Now 64 by power 4 equal to cy into 4xy minus cy whole square. Cy cube into 4x minus c whole square. In other words, 64y to the power of 4 equal to cy cube into 4x minus c whole square. So removing y cube on both sides, 64y equal to c times 4x minus c whole square. I hope that is clear. Next, problem number 17. 2px is equal to 2 tan y plus p cube cos square y. ఒకటి ఎక్స్లో ఒకటవ ఘాతంగా ఉన్నది కనుక దీన్ని ఎక్స్ కోసం సాధించగలం. ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు tan y బై పీ ప్లస్ పీ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 కాస్ స్క్వేర్ బై రెండును y దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేయగా dx బై dy ఈక్వల్ టు p ఇంటూ derivative of tan y secant square y minus tan y into dp by dy whole divided by p square plus 1 by 2 into p square into 2 cos y into minus sin y plus 2p cos square y dp by dy. Now 1 by p equal to 1 by p secant square y minus tan y by p square into dp by dy. Next, plus p square, it becomes minus p square sin y cos y, and then plus p cos square y dp by dy. Now 1 by p, so minus 1 by p plus 1 by p secant square y minus tan y by p square dp by dy minus p square sin y cos y plus p cos square y dp by dy equal to 0. Taking 1 by p common, minus 1 plus secant square y, and the third term as it is, minus tan y by p square into dp by dy minus p square sin y cos y plus p cos square y dp by dy equal to 0. But secant square y minus 1 is nothing but tan square y. So first term becomes tan square y by p. Next, the term without dp by dy, that is third term, minus p square sin y cos y, and combining dp by dy terms we get p cos square y minus tan y by p square into dp by dy equal to 0. Now so p tan y into equal to tan y by p square plus p cos square y plus p cos square y minus tan y into by p square into dp by dy equal to 0. That implies p cos square y minus tan y by p square into dp by dy minus p tan y equal to 0. So we get two equations, p cos square y minus tan y by p square equal to 0. Another one, dp by dy minus p tan y equal to 0. సో మూడు అసాధారణ సాధనను ఇస్తుంది కాబట్టి 3 ఈజ్ a సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్, హెన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఒమిటెడ్. దాన్ని వదిలిపేస్తాము. 4ను సాధిస్తే dp by dy minus p tan y equal to 0. సో dp by p minus tan y dy equal to 0. Integral dp by p equal to integral tan y dy, that is nothing but plus log c. So log p is equal to log secant y plus log c, or p is equal to c times secant y. సో ఒకటి యొక్క సాధారణ సాధన 2px is equal to 2 tan y plus p cube cos square y. సో 2c secant y x equal to 2 tan y plus what is p? c secant y. So p cube means c cube secant cube y cos square y. So 2c secant y times x equal to 2 sin y secant y plus c cube secant y. So removing secant y on throughout, 2cx is equal to 2 sin y plus c cube. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video.